Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, before I get started, I do want to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. Maybe, I just say your child set one up and you're kind of out of luck right now, and you need to reset your device to basically get rid of it. So, to do so, what you would do is, no matter if you're on a lock screen or home screen, you would just hold your power button, ignore the AI crap, and then select power off from the options. Now this turns off your device, and when it's off, you then want to hold power and volume up at the same time. Now we're going to be holding it for like probably 10 seconds or so. So after a moment, you should see the HUAWEI logo, and once it disappears, you then want to let go of the buttons. So it should disappear right about now. Okay, maybe a little bit longer. There we go. So as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Now in here, just select clear data and then factory reset. Now this will quickly get you this pop-up right here. So enter the word yes, then touch the button below to confirm the factory reset. This will wipe all user data on the device. And we're going to confirm it by selecting factory reset. Now this here only takes a couple of seconds, so it's not a very long process. And once it's finished, I believe the device will reboot on its own. Or not. So we're going to click on back and then reset. Now by clicking reset, the device is now rebooting, and then it's going to continue resetting itself in the background. Once it's finished, we then will be presented with the HarmonyOS setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.